In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox Error Code 2. So if you are experiencing this error, there are quite a number of fixes you can perform. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now in the first method, just head over to these three dots and then go ahead and click on settings. From settings, head to privacy and security. And under this, go to third-party cookies. So here we want to delete all the cookies for Roblox. Now go ahead and click on see all site data and permissions. Then from the list, just search for Roblox, or you can also just search by name here. For my case, Roblox is here. I'll go ahead and click on it. So you can see we have quite a number of data from this program. Go ahead and delete cookies by clicking on delete here. And by deleting this, you can see you'll delete site data and permissions for Roblox. Then go ahead and log in afresh. Now, if this does not work, then head to the second method. Now, in the second method, we need to go ahead and go to start menu here, and then just type run like that. And here, if you click on run, go ahead and type here percentage local app data percentage, and then click on OK. And this will open this folder, and from this look for Roblox, and as you can see mine is here. Now go ahead and delete this folder. To delete this, just go ahead and right click on it, and you can see we have an option to delete these temporary files, and that should solve your problem. Now in the third method, you can just go ahead and search for Roblox, and you can see Roblox player is here. Then right click on it and then choose open file location. Now from here again, right click on Roblox player, then go to properties, and from properties head to compatibility here, and from here go ahead and check these first three boxes, this and this. Go ahead and click on apply and OK, and from here go ahead and open your Roblox account, and this should have solved any issue related to error code 2. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.